Hi, my name is Charles Babinski. I'm the co-founder of G&B Coffee and Go Get 'em Tiger in Los Angeles, California. So, two pitchers. This is my milk pitcher, and this is a pitcher pretending to be a cup. And we're using water instead of milk because water's cheap and you can spill it everywhere and it's easy. First, just let it dangle. Put your thumb down, and then speed up or slow down. And just get used to doing different speeds. And once you get a good sense of how to speed up or slow down the water, try to go very slow to very fast. Fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow. Next, pour very slow and go up, down, up, down, up, down. Trying to keep a consistent flow. Next, just practice wiggling. When you are wiggling the milk pitcher, you don't want it to be jerky, so you're not moving your whole hand like that. You're letting it hang, right? And then letting it sort of pick up a pendulum back and forth. It shouldn't be a whole lot of motion. It's not like this, it's almost like this. We have three things so far. Slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast. High, low, high, low, high, low, and then wiggling. Once you're comfortable with those, pour high and slow. Go down, speed up, and untilt the cup that you're pouring into. High and slow, go down, speed up, untilt the cup that you're pouring into. And then high and slow, go down all the way, speed up, wiggle, and untilt the cup that you're pouring into. Now, putting it all together, high and slow, go down, speed up, wiggle, untilt, slow down, up half an inch, and across. You're done. A few notes on form. You want to keep the handle of the cup that you're pouring into perpendicular to the handle of the steaming pitcher. For the milk pitcher, keeping the handle parallel to your shoulders the whole time. So none of this, it's always like this. You're holding the milk pitcher. You want to dangle it on one finger. So your pointer finger right here, just so that it's sort of naturally even. And then use your thumb, like this, to speed it up or slow it down. Think about it as like the gas pedal. These three fingers right here are stabilizing it. So you're not clamped down on it. It's just the one finger dangling, the thumb speeding up and slowing down, and then the other three to stabilize. Keep your elbow close to your side, so don't bring it up here. If you are speeding up and you're raising your elbow to do it, you're going to rotate the pitcher while you do that, and that's going to make things harder. So just use your thumb to speed stuff up. So two things that people do when they're pouring and they get into more complicated pours is they will bring the milk pitcher closer to the cup that they're pouring into, which you don't want to do before it's time. The other thing is everything will move around. So stuff will start to rotate. You don't want that either.